Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Beer of the Week. I'm Garrett from Rolling Hops Beer Tours, and this week we're getting a little sweet with you guys, and we got a very special beer to do that. So we are going to be drinking the Killaloe Sunrise from Whitewater Brewing Co. over in the Ottawa Valley of Ontario. Now this one's very special and very sweet simply because it's an amber ale brewed with cinnamon and sugar. Why would someone do that? Well, this one specifically is an homage to the great Canadian pastry, the beaver tail. Yes, the beaver tail. Hopefully everyone has tried one. If you haven't and you're Canadian, what are you doing? Get out there and buy a beaver tail. Now, the dessert itself is about, yay big, give or take. A nice fried piece of dough, and typically has a topping of cinnamon sugar. You can also put maple syrup and chocolate and Nutella and other things like that on there. Whitewater Brewing decided to take their hand and try making the beaver tail type beer, as it were. It's called Killaloe Sunrise, and for good reason. So the beaver tail itself actually spawned from the city or town of Killaloe. Grant and Pam Hooker were the creators of that wonderful pastry that everyone knows and loves from their parents and their ancestors. It was a very German influenced style of dough, and that's how the recipe sort of came to be. By 1980, I'm pretty sure it was trademarked at that point in time, and they were selling it at the Byward Market up near Killaloe. And the rest is history from that point on. We're gonna try Whitewater's take on it. Let's give it a shot. Definitely smells like it's got a sweetness to it. A dessert amber ale through and through, if I've ever tasted one. Definitely got that sweetness. You can get that cinnamon tinge to it. Very, very good. This is a cozy style beer. I'd be cozying up on the couch to something like this. Absolutely. So super cool, very unique take on craft beer, as we always like to showcase here at Rolling Hops. If you have the opportunity to grab one, check it out. If you are into beaver tails, then you should probably try one of these. Until next time, I'm Garrett from Rolling Hops. Craft beer is here. Cheers.